Hey guys, so you know this is going to be a good video because I got the tripod out. So the other day I was looking through my fish tank, couldn't find my autos. Actually, for a couple days I didn't even see a trace of a single one of them. So I looked around the tank, assuming they're dead, didn't find them. Then I decided to go looking for some forensic evidence. Did an ammonia test, and then got like sorry, I'm catching a cold. Did an ammonia test, found like 0.2 something parts per billion, and I thought, aha, they must be dead in there somewhere, and they're following up the water. So did a water change, started trying to look around for the dead bodies, and then lo and behold, they're both sitting out on the driftwood, or wherever, I forget where they were, but anyway, they were still alive and well. So anyway, I didn't freak out at all, too much. I just poured a little bit of prime in there to, because it supposedly detoxifies ammonia. Did a bunch of, like small water changes, like an hour apart from one another, just like 1 gallon at a time. Didn't want to, I figured the ammonia was causing the auto some stress, so I didn't want to do a big water change to stress them out even more. Put the biological filtration back in, because remember I made that video where I said I was going to take that stuff out, and if it hadn't been for, I've kind of been lulled into a sense of complacency, because I hardly ever test my ammonia in here. I just assume like, okay, all the plants are going to take care of it, but apparently they haven't been, so I gotta keep an eye on this. And remember that I was talking about cation exchange capacity, and I pretty much said that the soil has to absorb the ammonia first before the plants uptake it. That is actually an incorrect statement. I was reading an article by Diane Wallstead online. Actually, I think it might have been part of her, like an excerpt from her book, Ecology of the Planted Aquarium. And it says in there that they actually absorb more through their leaves. Now, cation exchange capacity, I suppose, is still important. At least they say it is. Probably because I mean, it's like a storage system for nutrients. Like if I water changed out all that ammonium, and you know, they'd still have some down in their root system to take up. So yeah, hopefully now I have a better balance. It couldn't have been too out of balance, because that rating of, you know, 0.2 or whatever it was parts per million, that came after about a week or so of not doing a water change. So with the little extra biofiltration that I threw in, hopefully that'll keep this tank healthier. Another thing is I cut back on my Excel dosing, so maybe that was stunning the plant growth to the point where it allowed some ammonia to build up. But everyone seems to be pretty happy now. Autos are still laying kind of low, but yeah, just the update for today. Hope you all had a good Easter, didn't eat too much candy. And I'm going to end this video with this lovely picture.